Hello everyone and welcome to the channel and planet. Today we are going to learn how to convert numerical value to alphabetical value in Excel or convert numerical counting into alphabetical counting. For that we have to create a formula. The coding I will be providing within a link in the description, which could you have used to get it updated in your system. It would be very easy. Let's start. So let me write down the counting in numerical value in here in the sheet. 1, 2, 3, and we drag it to 100. Just perfect. It's up to 100. Now what we are going to do to make the formula for numerical value into alphabetical value, we have to press Alt F11. It will open the new window for Visual Basics. If it doesn't work, you have to press Function Alt F11. It will open the same window. Now what you have to do, you have to go into the insert. In insert here, upper portion, you have to choose module. In module, you have to paste the formula, which I am going to provide the link in the description. You will open the link, you will reach a place where you will find the formula sheet. You just need to copy that all and paste it in here. Let me get it done from here. Control A to select all, Control C copy, back to our sheet, and Control V paste. Now to save it, here we have the button to save this what you have just entered in here. Press this button. As it opens, you have to save this file within your desktop or any place you want to save it. You just need to save this file, and while saving it, you have to just make sure you save it as Excel macro enabled workbook. Save type should be selected like this, and you could have give it name anything you want to give it. I give it name convert number into alphabet. I just save it in desktop. It's done. Save changes and discard signatures. Okay, let's see what it does. Now to make it converted, we just have to write it down in a cell where we want to convert this into counting. Is equal to sign, spell number, bracket start. We have to give the cell destination to whom we are going to convert, bracket close, and enter. It's Rupee1 only. Now I drag it down till end and it will be converted. Rupee100 only, Rupee99 only. There is just limitation for this formula which we have just updated, that it is applicable till value of 99 crores. Any value above that, if you are talking about 100 crores, it would not be work with this formula. Else it is good to go. If you want to replace rupee with dollar or any other value, you have to just go back into the formula. Here you have to just find the rupee and replace it with dollar. Just give it the dollar sign. I hit the save. Now you can see everywhere it has been updated with the dollar sign where it was rupee. You could write any currency where you want to you could have write alphabetical dollar in here if you want to write. And this was all for today. One more thing, yes, if I want to add the sum of all values and then want to convert that, let me do it again for you. Is equal to sign sum bracket one column and bracket close, enter. It's the sum of all values. So now again is equal to sign to spell this value, spell number, bracket start, the destination serve, bracket close, enter. Rupees 5050 only the answer. So this was all for today. Hope this would be helpful for you. Thank you much for your time.